Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jada, but you can call me Ja. I make lifestyle, luxury, beauty, fashion, and travel content, and I love to vlog. That is exactly what I have in store for you all today. I'm super excited for us to get into the goods. Stick around, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to be sure that you are recommending my content and you don't miss a beat, and I promise you, you will not regret it. I brought my phone into the frame so that I can give you guys the rundown on what to expect for this vlog so far. I finished up Pilates a bit earlier, but our next order of business is heading to go pick up a few bundles. Your girl has a hair appointment for a quick weave install tomorrow. Hopefully, there is a winter storm warning out right now, so my hairstylist does travel to me, hoping that she's still gonna come through and slay me with this quick weave. I'm super excited, but as I mentioned, there is a winter storm warning, and y'all, it's like serious. They're projecting for us to get up to 8 inches of snow, so we are going to make a store run and pick up some essentials. I'm gonna go ahead and re-up on some things that I need, some household supplies, some snacks, some things that are non-perishable. The winter storm warning is in effect at 6 p.m., but of course we're gonna get out before then. We are cutting it a bit close, but better late than never, right? This week has been super busy. Next up on our to-do list, I do have a dinner reservation this Saturday at Flight downtown. If you have watched my previous vlogs or connected with me on my social media, you know that Flight is one of the best, if not the best, restaurants in the city. I'm hoping that the roads can get clear. When I tell y'all, I do not want to miss this reservation. I do not want to miss this reservation. I won't talk y'all ears off any longer for right now. We're gonna go ahead and get moving. I'm gonna give y'all like a big haul when I get home. Everything I get to get us through. Today drained me. Police was out. The people was out. Everybody was rushing into the store. People were parked in spots that weren't even parking spots. They was lined up on the side of the building getting into the store. I'm out of the streets. I'm done with the streets. If you're not new around here, you know that in my shopping vlogs, I usually put y'all in the cart with me, take y'all on, and y'all see what I pick up as I go. But baby, I chose not to put myself through multitasking between navigating through all those people and focusing on this list and trying to vlog. So I just have all of my groceries right over here to the left of me. I'm going to show you guys a few of the things that I got. I'm not going to show you guys everything because look at the size of this receipt. It's not happening. Anywho, I'm so blessed and so grateful to even have been able to get all this stuff, y'all, because some of them shelves was bare. I'll insert a clip here of my view right now of all these bags on the side of my island. Of course, that's not everything because I did have to go ahead and put away my frozen goods and stuff that needs to be refrigerated. I still have plenty to put away, as y'all can tell, and as I put it away, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a few things. It is currently snowing right now, so the weatherman did give the correct forecast for everybody that was doubting them. Them people knew what they was talking about. Let me update y'all real quick. I did talk to my stylist today. She hit me up. I didn't have to hit her up, and no, it was not a hey boo text. She was just confirming what time I wanted her to pull up on me. Everything's still looking up so far. Let's pray we keep power. Again, I'm so thankful to God to be able to have even gotten a loaf of bread, y'all. Of course, stuff that y'all don't see like batteries, battery power lights, toiletries. Pretty good on all of that. So without further ado, let's get into the shopping haul. In this bag, I have 2 blankets. Even though I have some tampons left, I still picked up a fresh box. Lady wipes, feminine wipes, ultra thin, basically like panty liners, Listerine, and new toothbrushes. Black cherry cobbler candle. It smells so fire. This one is mahogany and sandalwood. Tide Pods, Febreze scent boosters. Nutella, peanut butter. It's y'all some tuna packs. Do a tuna spread, literally. Ritz crackers, Lunchable, Talenti, fruit snacks, and Uncrustables. I did manage to get the last Deli Fresh turkey. These mozzarella sticks, Checkers fries go ham. Paper plates and cups. These are like the moments that I love connecting with God, because I'm so grateful for this loaf of bread. I could have went without this loaf of bread. Look at this. I don't know. I love being festive, y'all. We just look so good together. It's cute, and I feel like it's like the perfect size. Every time we're together, I feel a special part of me drawing me closer. We love you, Kurt. Baby. Great, how are you? Good. Made it downtown, running behind. Lobster ravioli. This is my starter. What was this wine? He just said a port wine. I don't know if we know what kind of wine this is. Your chicken and waffles look delicious over there. Marked it. Alright, here's my chicken and waffles. And then, what did I get? The harvest salad? So excited. I've been craving this. I didn't feel like putting my mic on today. Yay. The creme brulee came to me. I was gonna order my own, but this one came to the table complimentary, and it was given to me. So yeah. But yeah, that's going in the thumbnail for sure. There's 2 spoons. You should have some. Grabbing a mint or 2. And now out to valet. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks again, Flight. It was so delicious. And 10 out of 10. See y'all next time. So I'm only bringing y'all here because last time I was here, I didn't show y'all my sweet treat. I didn't show y'all my apple, and I didn't feel like making anything myself. So I'm bringing you guys back in here, and I'm gonna show y'all my apple. They're gonna cut it up because, sorry for the glare, they're gonna cut it up because I don't want to eat it whole. So yeah, Snickers. Dutton milk chocolate peanuts. Trying to see if I want to do peanut butter or Snickers. I'm doing 2 samples. That's pretty good. What are you gonna eat? It's so purple. Hey, can I get my apple cut up? The peanut butter? Yeah. So that's cut it up. I think that's the funnel cake. Treat yourself. Today is the day after we had our flight reservation last night. Of course, flight did not disappoint. Everything was 10 out of 10, so fabulous. Ballet was lovely. Y'all know it was snowy, it was icy. They had these big chunks of ice on the sidewalk. You know, I had got one in my heel, but your girl pushed on. Your girl pushed on, and I appreciate them for salting everything because I was trying to find me in my heels. But yeah, I just had to pop on here tonight. It's much later in the evening on this lovely Sunday, and I wanted to pop in and show you guys what I had today for lunch, and then I'm also about to have for dinner. Out back was the motion, and excuse my air fryer back there. It is going we're gonna have a little side item to go in my Outback, but I'm about to heat this up, and then I'm gonna show y'all that. And I really just came home and relaxed. I did my skincare, got my skin clean, ended up doing some editing. I got about 40 minutes of footage taken care of. Let me get this food heated up right quick. Back to the order of business. Here is my it's called the Queensland pasta. It was supposed to come with shrimp, but I asked for no shrimp, just chicken. And y'all, they gave me so much pasta. Like, it looks like I didn't eat any of these, and I really hardly did, but it was just so much pasta, and it was so good. We also got the blooming onion petals. It was so nice. The presentation was so nice. This is the sauce that came with the onion petals. I don't really know what it is, but I have to try it. Yeah, so I'm about to grub, relax for the rest of my night, and get ready for this week, everything that it has in store. And I will see you guys next time. It's worth it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all soon.